Hello, my name is Kenny Spurlock and my partner's name is Alexis Mail, and today I will teach you how to make a bar graph. What is a bar graph? A bar graph is a visual that helps represent a set of data that has been collected, just like this. What does a bar graph consist of? A bar graph consists of lines that outline the bar graph, a labeled X and Y axis, and bars that represent the data. First off, in order to make a bar graph, data has to have been collected. For this example, we will say that we collected data about the types of pets that students have, whether a dog, cat, or a rabbit. Now let's graph our data. First off, you need graph paper. Now, draw two lines onto your graph that look like the following. Make sure that you trace them on top of the lines on the graph paper so that they are straight and accurate. Also, make sure that they meet at a corner. Just like this. Now, find your X and Y axis. Label your Y axis with the numbers starting with 0. In this case, we will start with 0 and label our graph paper up to 50. Just like this. Now we have to label our x-axis. Our x-axis will be labeled with the different types of data that we collected. So for example, we collected data about how many people in your class had a dog, cat, or rabbit. So dog, cat, and rabbit will be labeled on our x-axis. Now we have to apply the data that we found to our bar graph. We found that 10 people have dogs, 5 people have cats, and 0 people have rabbits. So we now have to draw that into our graph of bars. To enter the data that was collected, shade in the bar graph up to 10 where the dog is labeled. Shade in the bar graph up to 5 where the cat is labeled. And lastly, nothing should be shaded in above rabbit because no one in the class had a pet rabbit. The last steps for completing your bar graph are to give your bar graph a title. Since we collected data about the types of pets classmates had, we can title our graph Pets My Classmates Have. And this is how you do a bar graph. Thank you.